AutoNation Group Incorporated, general distributors for Mercedes-Benz vehicles in the Philippines, recently introduced the heavy-duty Mercedes-Benz Actros truck with the second generation of active brake assist. In line with the launching, AutoNation Group organized a live demonstration at the Freeport zone of Clark Air Base in Pampanga to showcase how the safety technology activates in various pre-collision situations on the road. Mercedes-Benz stated that one of their development highlights is the active brake assist system, which was introduced for the Mercedes-Benz Actros heavy-duty truck in 2006. AutoNation Group stressed that the first-generation active brake assist applied the brakes automatically if it detected a risk of a head-to-tail collision with a slow-moving obstacle in front of the vehicle. And active brake assist 2 is also activated if a stationary obstacle is detected, among its other features.
Active brake assist system is basically a safety feature introduced by Mercedes, initially for the trucks, then probably with the buses next time around. This will definitely help the driver in case there is a failure on the driver to react fast on what's happening on the road. So basically the active brake assist will apply the brakes once there is no intervention from the driver if there is an obstruction in front of him.